Want to become a cloud architect? One of the highest paying and most strategic tech roles of 2025? In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover what cloud architects design, the experience and certifications you need, your complete roadmap, and how to earn $130,000 to $220,000 per year. Let's get started. Cloud architects are strategic designers of cloud infrastructure. You don't just use the cloud, you design entire systems on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. You plan scalable architectures, ensure security and compliance, optimize costs, and guide organizations through cloud migration. You're the mastermind behind modern infrastructure. On a typical day, you'll design cloud solutions for business needs, review and approve architectural decisions, conduct security assessments, optimize cloud spending, mentor development teams, troubleshoot complex issues, and create documentation. It's strategic thinking meets technical expertise. Every industry is moving to the cloud. Financial services migrating critical systems, healthcare storing patient data securely, e-commerce scaling for millions of users, startups building cloud-native from day one, and enterprises modernizing legacy infrastructure. Cloud adoption is universal and accelerating.
Here's the critical difference. Cloud architect is not an entry-level role. You need 5 to 10 years of IT experience first, typically as a system administrator, network engineer, or cloud engineer. You must understand infrastructure deeply before designing it. This is a senior-level position requiring proven expertise.
Education. Most cloud architects have a bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, or engineering. But your real education comes from hands-on experience. You need deep knowledge of networking, security, databases, and system administration before specializing in cloud architecture. Certifications are non-negotiable. Start with AWS Solutions Architect Associate, Azure Solutions Architect Expert, or Google Cloud Professional Architect. Then pursue advanced certifications like AWS Solutions Architect Professional. Most architects hold multiple cloud certifications, showing multi-cloud expertise. Before becoming an architect, master these prerequisites: deep networking knowledge, subnets, routing, load balancing; strong security expertise, encryption, IAM, compliance; database skills, SQL and NoSQL; infrastructure as code, Terraform, CloudFormation; and scripting, Python, PowerShell, Bash. These aren't optional, they're the foundation. The architect skill set goes beyond technical. You need 3 categories: technical mastery of cloud platforms, architectural thinking for system design, and leadership skills to guide teams. Cloud architects are technical leaders, not just implementers.
First, technical mastery. Deep expertise in at least one major cloud platform: compute, storage, networking, databases, security services. Understanding of containers and Kubernetes, serverless architectures, CI/CD pipelines, monitoring and observability, and cloud cost optimization strategies. You must know every service intimately.
Second, architectural thinking. Understanding design patterns, microservices, event-driven, serverless. Trade-off analysis, cost versus performance, consistency versus availability. Scalability planning, handling millions of users. Disaster recovery and high availability. And compliance requirements. You design systems that are resilient, scalable, and cost-effective. Third, leadership skills. Communicating complex architectures to non-technical executives. Mentoring engineers and guiding teams. Making strategic technology decisions. Influencing without authority. Presenting to stakeholders. And managing technical debt. Cloud architects are leaders who happen to be technical experts. Your roadmap.
This is not a 6-month journey. Becoming a cloud architect takes 5 to 10 years total, starting from IT fundamentals, building through various roles, and culminating in the architect position. We'll show you the complete path in 4 career stages.
Stage 1, Years 1 and 2, Build IT Foundations. Start as help desk, junior system administrator, or network technician. Learn networking, Windows and Linux administration, troubleshooting, and customer service. Get CompTIA Plus, Network Plus, and Security Plus certifications. Master the fundamentals. Stage 2, Years 3 through 5. Specialize and deepen expertise. Become a system administrator, network engineer, or database administrator. Master complex infrastructure, automation, and enterprise systems. Start learning cloud basics, AWS fundamentals, Azure essentials. This is where you choose your technical path. Stage 3, Years 5 through 8. Become a cloud engineer. Move fully into AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Implement cloud solutions, migrate workloads, automate deployments. Earn your first cloud certifications, Solutions Architect Associate or equivalent. Build and deploy production systems. This is hands-on cloud implementation.
Stage 4, Years 8 through 10 plus. Finally, Cloud Architect. Design complete cloud solutions, not just implement them. Earn professional-level certifications, AWS Solutions Architect Professional, Azure Expert, GCP Professional. Lead architectural decisions, mentor teams, and shape cloud strategy. You've arrived.
Let's be clear. This entire journey takes 5 to 10 years minimum from starting in IT. Fast trackers with strong technical backgrounds might reach architect in 5 to 7 years. Most take 8 to 10 years. There are no shortcuts, but the destination, both in responsibility and compensation, makes the journey worthwhile. Now the reward. Cloud architects earn $130,000 to $180,000 at mid-level. Senior architects make $180,000 to $220,000. Principal architects and cloud leaders command $220,000 to $300,000 plus. With stock options at big tech companies, total compensation can exceed $400,000 to $500,000. This is a premium paid role.
Demand is exceptional. Cloud architect positions grew 42% in the past 3 years. Every major company needs cloud leadership. With 95% of enterprises using multi-cloud strategies, architects who master multiple platforms are extremely valuable. Competition exists, but qualified architects are always in demand.
The pros: exceptional compensation, top 5% of tech salaries. Strategic influence: your decisions shape entire organizations. High respect and recognition. Remote-friendly senior role. Continuous learning keeps work interesting. Job security is excellent. And you solve complex, meaningful problems at scale.
The cons? Long career path, 5 to 10 years to reach architect level. High responsibility and pressure. Your decisions affect millions of users and millions of dollars. On call for critical issues. Constant learning required as cloud evolves rapidly. Work-life balance can suffer. And imposter syndrome is common at this level. Who should pursue this? If you love systems thinking and seeing the big picture, enjoy strategic decision-making, have patience for a long career path, can handle high responsibility, and want to architect the future, this is for you. If you want quick entry, avoid pressure, or prefer hands-on coding over strategy, this will frustrate you.
Let's recap. Cloud architects design strategic infrastructure on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. You need 5 to 10 years of IT experience building through system admin, network engineer, and cloud engineer roles. Master technical skills, architectural thinking, and leadership. Earn premium compensation from $130,000 to $300,000 plus. It's a long journey to an elite destination. Your action steps depend on where you are now. If you're starting, get CompTIA A+ and an entry IT job. If you're mid-career IT, start AWS or Azure Fundamentals. Build a cloud home lab. If you're a cloud engineer, begin studying for Solutions Architect Professional. Design more, implement less. Know your stage? Take the next step.